Hello everyone! So for today's video, I am going to be reviewing the cheapest costume that I found from Amazon. Now, I only searched the women's section. Maybe next time I'll search the men's or the children's section. But yeah, I searched the women's section because I'm a woman. If you hear some background noises, please excuse that. By the way, my makeup is kind of intense right now since it's almost Halloween and I wanted to do a Halloween look. But yeah, let's get into this video, shall we? So let me tell you how much the costume cost. First, it was only $6. But the only $6 one was the large, so that's what I got. It only had 1-star review. So the one that I got is this Tokidoki costume, and it says right here it's the Kaiju. This is a jumpsuit or a onesie. I used to love Tokidoki back when I was a teenager, and Tokidoki was overpriced in my opinion. It was around what, $40 for a shirt, maybe even 50. But they have such cute characters, so that's why I love it so much. I'm curious to see if it's gonna be a good quality or not. It looks pretty cute, you know. It's a raptor, kind of looks like the Rugrats raptor, to be honest. I like the colors. It's green and pink. It's by the brand Rubie's, and they always have super cheap costumes. They're a big costume company. Sometimes I would get their costumes if I just want to, you know, dress up and look like the character, and not so much cosplay, but like an everyday attire. Enough chatting, and let's just look at this costume. I love onesies because they're just cute, and you know, you can even go to bed in a onesie and it's very comfy because it's kind of like a pajama material. The only thing that bothers me when wearing a onesie is that you have to strip down everything when you go to the bathroom. All right. Wow, this is actually a pretty good quality. I mean, it's thin, but the stitching is very nice. I love the print. This one is like a felt material, but that's fine. The back is where the opening part, and they're just Velcro. It kind of feels like a velvet material, but the inside is a very smooth texture, which is good because it won't be itchy. The only itchy parts is gonna be the Velcro because of the edges, and of course the tag. I don't like the part that they put a huge print on the front because you can easily tell that it's already a Reptar just by the print on this part. So I feel like this print over here is redundant, but you know, for a $6 costume, not bad at all. I would usually get a small to medium, but since the only one that cost $6 is the large one, I got this. And it's also perfect because I've read on the review that it would run small. I don't know why, but I like the smell of this because it smells brand new. Just reminds me of the mall. I just miss the mall so much. I miss going out to places. I'm gonna be trying this out and I'll show you in 1 second. It has quite a bit of room to it. I feel like this costume is meant to be fitted or almost close to fitted, but I love it for $6. This is really nice. It's very smooth. I couldn't close the back because I can't really reach it. I am so amazed with this costume, really. The price is affordable, it's good quality. I don't like the fact that it's just Velcro on the back, but I'm guessing that if you wear this, you'll be wearing like a sports bra or something underneath. Maybe some cycling shorts, just so that in case it opens, you won't see anything. I don't think the sizing is wrong. Whoever gave that 1-star, she probably got it at a more expensive price, but for $6, I love it. I would probably even buy it for $10. It's a really nice one. I love the color. I love this neon green color. It's like Billie Eilish color, and it's stretchy. So if you plan to get the smaller size or a size smaller than you, then it's fine because there's a lot of stretch to it. But would I wear it for Halloween though? For me, I wouldn't wear it because it's too simple for me. You know me, as a cosplayer, I like to have like extravagant, a really fun costume, but this one is more for sleepwear for me. But yeah, that is it for this review try on video. I hope it helped you guys in some way. Don't forget to click like and also subscribe to my channel if you still haven't yet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.